Classic Caillou, let's go to San Antonio.
Where did we get on?
The train.
No. No! I will drive the train. No! Classic Caillou, don't. Shut up! I will drive. Let me drive the train, robot. No. Yeah! Boy. I will go faster. Yeah! The train is going faster. Come on. Why there's so many traffic? I just go to my friend's birthday party. What was that? Is that train coming? If it is, I'll try to dodge that train. The worst enemy is dead. Yeah. Yeah! Oh! It's going 150 miles per hour. I must do something before it crashes into the end of the tracks or derails into Plotagon City. Maybe it's gonna stop it. Please be fully halted. Please be fully halted. Holy. It's going 500 miles per hour. We're gonna derail into. Oh no! It's going faster. Lizzie? Wanna get married today?
Of course. We're gonna have a better future.
Why I heard someone screaming?
Oh, G-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R. Oh my food. Ing, gosh. You have really gone away to food. Far this time, boy. Classic freaking idiot bald-headed Caillou. How freaking drive a train? You crash into Plotagon City, now Caillou and Rosie to take them to the hospital thanks to you. That's it. No toys, no video games, no computers, and no more. You are super big trouble. You are my worst son ever. Now cops are finding you and set you jail now. That is so freaking it. You are so super Astro Grounded.
8,182,727,282 of centillion millenniums, 999 quadrillion centuries, 20292872820292772829 decades, 1 billion years, 262,727,722,772 months, 167,188,281 weeks, 252,626 days, 29,282,727 hours, 2,626 minutes, 272,727 seconds, 2267282918171618191919186161720019710202228 of milliseconds later. 9872728199118010180188292 years. Now go upstairs to your room. Right now.
Wah! Wait! Did Dad just died? Finally I can do what I ever want. But first, I will turn back to young myself.
I can't believe I killed Samir and Lizzie. Mad me. It's the cops. I better stop walking. Hold right there, I will take you jail. No 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 no. Wah!